Okay, we're here again. Because I want to see what it looks like. And there's nothing. Nothing. And I have a theory on these colors up in the sky here. I think there's a dome. Well, we've heard there is. And I think that's maybe a heat signature of the blue and the green is the only thing I can think of. See? So, the other one's shaped like that. So it must be a dome. It's gotta be. That's the only thing I can come up with. That's all I got. So, it's a quick minute to show you there's nothing here. And I want to thank everyone for their feedback, because I sat here for hours just in shock, literally. I'm going to be coming back here through the day just to see. So, alright, thanks everyone. I really appreciate it, and got someone analyzing this who really knows what they're doing. So, that video is going to be under major scrutiny and analyzation. And there will be some results, because this person did see some things already. So, and I'll be sharing that information. Alright. I'll see you through the day. And thanks for swinging by, all my brothers and sisters. I love you all. God bless you all. Alright, amen.